Now, this holiday season is the most difficult we've seen in years, but we don't want all the anxiety to impact people we care about. So we called Dr. Farah Sultan to tell us more about this because she's an expert, a stress expert specifically, and you wrote a book called Stress Less. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And I think it's really cool that you came out with this book because a lot of people could certainly use the information you have. So let's start with one of the first things people can do, which is simply breathe.
Exactly. So what I love about breathing is you got to do it anyway, every second of your life. But when you do it with mindfulness and take deeper breaths, it sends a signal to your brain to calm down and relax. And all the bad things that happen with stress, like rapid breathing, rapid heart rate, high blood pressure, they come down as you breathe deeply to relax. And it is 100% free.
Yeah, it really is. And you said mindfulness, meditating has something to do with that.
What I love about meditating is you don't have to be a yogi in order to meditate. Just taking 5, 10, 15 minutes to focus your attention on your breathing can have tremendous impact on lowering your stress, anxiety levels, and boosting your happiness and preventing even chronic pain. And again, it's totally free.
There's a time to be grateful, and you think this is a perfect time to do that.
Practicing gratitude can reduce cortisol, our stress hormone, by 23%. And if you take just 30 seconds of your time every day to be thankful for the roof over your head, the food on your table, your health, your freedom, your loved ones, anything unique every day that you can be thankful for can totally rewire your brain and make your stress levels go down. And it is, again, free.
We know a lot of us are, unfortunately, under stay-at-home orders. You got to stay inside, quarantining, things of that nature. But you think it's important to get out in nature when you can safely?
Getting out in nature is cathartic. It can boost even your immune system. It's called forest bathing or the mindfulness cure. And it's free. You may need to travel maybe 10 minutes just to go to a local park or even in your garden, but it can have a tremendous impact on lowering your stress levels, what I call the effect.
And really quickly, because we are running out of time here, hugs, you recommend people do it, of course, with who you're quarantining with, right?
Yes, with your loved ones. And if you are lonely, as many people are in these days, you can do virtual hugs.
Virtual hugs. I like it. And I'm giving you one right now. Dr. Farah Sultan, thank you so much for joining us here this morning with some ways to reduce that stress. All right. At 8:18, let's go to weather right now with Adam. Adam, you get a virtual hug, my friend, from a distance.
I don't know if it's too short notice, but can we pull Pedro back up any chance? I'd like to bring it in for the almost real thing.
There you go.
Here you go, man.
Go right here.
Yep.